Hello friends, myself Sahidul Islam Laskar and you are watching SL Math From. Today I am going to make a video that how to make an electromagnet. So the materials required are first conducting wire, that is conducting copper wire, the wire through which electric current can pass. Second, a nail, a 3-inch or 4-inch nail. Third, a battery may be 1.5 volt or 6 volt or 9 volt, and some small nails. So let's start the video. This is conducting wire, this is 1.5 volt battery, and this nails through which we will make the electromagnet, and there are some small nails and tape. So let's start the video how to make the electromagnet. So just see here, I just round up this wire through the nail very tightly without any gaping, like this. If you loosely round up the wires through the nail, then it might not be worked. So please round up the wires very tightly. Then there are two ends of the wire. Now I will join one end to the positive side and another end to the negative side. Now I connected one end to the positive end and now another end to the negative end. Now just see how to attract these nails. So this is the way how to make an electromagnet.